So guys, have you ever wondered what is break of structure? Or have you heard the word break of structure before? And maybe you've heard it somewhere or the other, but you've never paid attention to it. Wow, you successfully ignored or snubbed the most important part of technical analysis. Well guys, if you do not know break of structure, you can't know technical analysis. Break of structure is so important. If you don't know technical analysis, who said you a trader? You're not a day trader. It is so important to know technical analysis. So yeah, guys, we're going to keep it really simple right now. We're going to teach you break of structure. If you stay and watch to the end of this video, you will learn everything about break of structure. And not just break of structure, I'll also teach you the best time to trade using your break of structure. And this is going to be perfect if you just stick to the video. So yeah guys, by the way, it's ups. Yeah, it's up. So yeah, you know how to do it. If you click on my video, we're going straight into the point. So yeah, let's do it. So guys, this is it. Break of structure goes like this. This is the simplest way to tell you this thing. It's exactly what I'm about to do on the screen now. So just watch. This is break of structure. We're using the uptrend for this example. So this is the first step. This is the first move. This is the second move. And guys, now pay attention. Immediately price is breaking this level. Price has automatically broken structure. Immediately price is breaking this level. Price has automatically broken the structure. So this is what's most likely going to happen. It goes like this. Guess what guys? This structure has been broken. So therefore price has broken the structure. So that's how it is. If you look down here, this is exactly what happens. And now, just like I always tell you guys in my technical analysis videos and everything, you can go and watch it there. I tell you, like, the market moves in certain ways. It moves in like for a trending market, you're gonna see a zigzag manner to the upside or to the downside. So for an uptrend, we're going to say it's higher highs and higher lows. That is the definition of an uptrend. I've said it numerous times. So yeah, this is a high high, and this is a higher low. This is the next higher high, and if you watch, this higher high broke the last high. So that makes it valid that yes, this is an uptrend, and the trend might most likely continue going up. Now, and if you look at this thing, you can even enter a trade. So guess what? This is a higher low right here. So what next do you think the market is going to do? The market will make a higher high again. It is very simple. It is so simple. So if you look to our left side here, you're going to see a downtrend. So the market was in a downtrend before, now it is in an uptrend. So this is the definition of the definition of downtrend is what? I told you it's lower lows and lower highs. So this is a lower low here. So this is a lower high, lower low. And now guess what guys? This lower low is breaking the previous structure here. It's breaking the previous structure. And this is exactly what we mean by structural break or break of structure. It is really simple. It is very simple. That's one thing I like about technical analysis. If you keep technical analysis simple, trust me, you'll be winning these trades and you'll be asking yourself how and why is it happening. That is just how it is. If you keep it simple, go back to your basics and check these things. Exactly what everybody have been saying is exactly what's happening. It doesn't change. The market does not change for no reason. It keeps repeating this pattern and it will not change. So this is a lower low again. This is a higher low. This is a lower high. Sorry. So guess what? The next lower low is down here. But before he went and made this lower low, he had to break this structure. You can't make a lower low without breaking the previous structure. If not, the downtrend will automatically change. It's going to show a sign that the market is not going down no more. So this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. This is how the market moves. The market moves like this because it's been moving like this since the market has been invented. I do not know when the market was invented, but trust me, the market has been like this and it is most likely going to remain like this for like the longest of time. Like, what's the reason for it to change? So guys, this being said, I just told you what break of structure is. And like the first time I learned about break of structure, it was like an aha moment. It actually changed my trading because I was just entering trade carelessly and I didn't know that okay, break of structures is this important. I didn't really pay attention to it. Somebody brought it to my notice and like kept it on my table and I saw it and I was like, whoa, if I add this thing to my trading, it's going to really change the game for me. And I did, and trust me, everything changed. Everything really changed for real. So guys, if you've made it to this level of this video, please hit the subscribe button. It's really going to help me. My channel is really young by the way, and I really love your subscription, sorry. So yeah, help me grow by the way. Like this video, hit the subscribe, and just let's communicate. I reply all my comments in the comment section. So yeah, let's communicate. So yeah, just like I said, this is a low, this is an uptrend. This is a small uptrend trying to form. It might not be like the real trend, might not be up, but this move here you would actually make money from it because it's 4 hour, and 4 hours is a place where day traders come to analyze the chart. Day traders in particular, not swing traders. Day traders will come analyze our chart here. I'm a day trader too, so I analyze my chart mostly on 4 hours. I go to the daily once a day just to see where the market is heading, and the daily is not a place I do analysis. So I do with my 4 hour. So yeah, now this is a higher high. This is a higher low. I'm repeating what I said before. Now guess what guys? After this high high, it went to make the next higher low. It went to make the next higher high, but it had to break this structure first. If this structure is not broken, the market is going to sense that the trend is changing. That's a very simple term to understand. Keep it at the back of your mind or even write it somewhere. The market is going to sense that the trend is changing. So if that being said, what you want to do now is okay, yeah. And I want to show you how to enter a trade in using your break of structure. So now, after you've noticed, okay, the market just broke the previous structure, broke the last higher high for an uptrend. Now you want to wait for the market to break it next, just like it has done here. You want to make it to break this higher high. And after you break it, be very patient. Patience is key in this type of things. In trading, you need patience to grow. So after you broke the last higher high, you want to wait for the market to come back. You want to wait for the market to come back to this level where it broke before. When it comes back here, you want to wait for it to test. When it tests this level just like it has done here, you want to sense for some kind of sort of rejection. You want to sense for some kind of sort of rejection just like it is doing here. This rejection is doing here is giving me a hint that okay, this market is most likely going to reverse from here. If you understand your candlestick analysis, which is the video I will do next, or I will do sometime soon, so you should just stay tuned by the way. If you understand your candlestick analysis, then you should know that okay, this is price rejection. This is massive rejection here, like you can see. So from here now, the market will most likely go up back, continue the uptrend. So the market will most likely continue the uptrend. It shows that buyers are around this level, and not just around this level. This is not a random level. The level I've held for a long time now. So that's enough reason for buyers to be around. As you can see here, the level held here, held here, he held here, he held here, and if you go back, trust me, it's been holding just like it did here. So this level is a very strong level. I'm sorry I didn't really make it bold, but yeah, let's manage what we see. This level is a very strong level. So the market have resist here. It has showed sign of weakness here, and if you look closely, it have done a little bit of an engulfing candle. So I won't really call it an engulfing candle because it didn't engulf this previous candle. But here, this is something like an engulfing candle. This is a power candle showing that buyers are really around this area. So what I want to wait for is for more confirmation, and that's among my strategy. This is where your strategy comes in play. This is where your entry pattern comes in play. Your criteria for entry comes in play. So for me, I will drop to the 15 minutes. So let's do it. I'll drop to the 15 minutes now and I'll just show you one or two things. So guys, for me in a level like this, I'll drop to the 15 minutes. Not in a level like this. In a trade like this, I'll drop to the 15 minutes. And mind you, by the way, I am not coming down to the 15 minutes and I am not just to be biased. I have picked a particular direction and that's where I'm going to look for my trade to that angle. Sorry if I misconcepted the whole thing. So yeah, I'll be looking for trade to this particular angle, which is the buy angle. So yeah, like what I've seen here now, for my entry criteria is what I want to see in this market. First of all, I'm going to draw a trend line because I see an opportunity too. So I'll draw this trend line. I'll draw this trend line for a confluence. I'm going to call it a confluence trend line. And the next thing I want to do now is I want to draw this level. And then I'll tell you why I'm drawing this level out. So guys, as you can see, this level, this is a mini resistance level. The market tapped here, tapped here, and is dropping again. So that means this level is strong, right? Sellers, scalpers are around here. They are dropping this market down. They are trying to push the market down, but I'm not sure the market wants to go down. So the next thing I want to see the market do now is to break this level. I want the market to break this level. When it breaks this level, automatically it has broken this structure. So now, okay, I'm confident, and I'm also sure that, okay, yeah, this market has broken this level. It will most likely continue going up. So what I want you to do is to come back. Yes, just like I said, I want you to come back to test. But it's really messing up. So yeah, guys, I want you to come back to test. I want you to come back to test this my area. So when you test, give me a minute, guys, give me a minute. So I want you to come back now and test this level. I want you to come back to test this level. When you test this level, guys, this is why I look for my entries. This is why I look for my entries to the upside. This is how my strategy goes. It don't take me anything to tell you things like these are things that are getting paid for in other places, but I don't feel like I don't even see no need here for real. So I want you to do exactly this. So if you pay attention, then yeah, this is what I want the market to do. And guess what? I'll put my stop loss below the previous structure. Below the previous structure. You might ask me, how do I do this intelligent and how does it really work and all those things? It actually works for me. I don't know if it's going to work for you, but it does work for me. If I repeat this thing for 10 times, I win like 5 to 7 times. That's how it is. It works for me and that's good money. So if I am entering, I want to risk this amount and I want to go for this amount. So if you look here, this is 5.4 risk to reward. And if I'm risking 1%, I'm getting 5% back. So this is something I'll repeat times without number as far as the risk to reward is good. So I want the structure to be broken, this structure here to be broken. After the structure is broken, I want you to come back and test this structure. Upon testing this structure, then I'm entering regardless. Yeah, I'm entering regardless. And you could also wait for weakness in the move to this structure. You could also wait for a weak move, something like this. Something like this. You could also wait for something like this to come back to this structure, then you enter and ride the trend up. So yeah, guys, if you've seen this or if you're watching this right now, like and subscribe, by the way. And this is the end of the video. So I do videos like this. My goal on this channel is to really help beginning traders and also document my journey, because I'm also young in the game, by the way. I'm also young, and yeah, let's just grow together. That's all I care. So by the way, thanks for watching this video and subscribe so you won't miss my video no more. Big things are coming to this channel.
Yeah, big things are really coming to the channel, so y'all should subscribe and yeah, stay tuned with me. I'll be doing live trading and those type of things, so if you know you like this type of content, yeah, you could just hit the subscribe button and yeah, let's do it. Peace.